Welcome to Chongqing, friends. I got some special guests with me today.
Hi guys.
I got Alex and Julia. And today we are going to be exploring this amazing city. Alex, where are you going to be taking us?
We're going to go to the top of the city in the World Financial Center here in Chongqing.
All right, I think we are going up. So we are at the World Finance Center?
Yeah, WFC.
Yeah, and you were just saying that this is kind of what Chongqing looked like.
This was in 1990. This looks like something that would be in Canada in like the 1940s, but this just shows you how much China has really emerged in the last 30 years.
Yeah, what a difference from the first picture to what it is now. And how many bridges were you saying? I think I remember in one of your videos, and by the way guys, follow Alex, Reportify Media.
So these bridges are, we call them span bridges throughout the city. There's 37 of those.
Wow.
But connecting bridges in this whole municipality, there's over 14,000.
Oh wow, yeah. That's a lot.
And this at one point, yeah, tell me.
This at one point was the tallest building.
Oh wow.
And that's I guess the 1970s.
That's crazy.
When World Finance Center is built, but
wow.
Yeah, it's just dwarfed now by all this.
That is some fast construction.
Chongqing has definitely one of the most, if not the most beautiful, I think, skyline in the whole of China.
Absolutely.
It's got everything, the rivers, the mountains, and definitely a tough city to compete with. A lot of people don't know about it, and thanks to people like you, they will discover it.
Exactly.
It is the #1 most domestically traveled city in China now, #1.
Wow. Yeah.
They built here, if you look at this, and now you have full city.
I was on the boat yesterday and went by that. It's such a cool building.
You want hot pot ice cream?
What?
Yeah. Okay.
One sec.
So I heard you had hot pot last night.
Yeah.
And?
I mean, it was good. It was a little spicy.
Have you tried hot pot ice cream?
What?
Okay, let's go. Let's try it.
All right. Is it super spicy though?
I can tell them less spicy.
Yeah, please, less spicy. But oh my god, that looks
excited to try it.
It could be really good or it could be really bad.
Oh, it's very popular. Everyone's getting it. Everyone's getting it.
It's chili peppers and more chili peppers and what is that?
Some kind of crunchy thing, right?
There's the toxic mix there.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Very scared.
I'm very scared. Oh my god.
I told her not so much. Okay.
Oh no, she's doing less. Cause see, before it was like swimming in a chili oil boat, so she is doing less.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this.
I'm gonna see what that little sign says. 1 second.
Alright guys, I'm a little bit scared to try this, to be honest. I'm gonna go for the ice cream and like chili oil. Okay, that's actually really... Oh, wait. Initially, I was like, oh, this is delicious, but then there was like a burn after. But you know what? It's actually pretty good.
How about the crunchy bits?
I like the crunchy bits. That really like tones it all together. But yeah, with just a little bit of chili oil, it's actually like, it's doable. It's good, even for people that have as low of a spice tolerance as me. It's great. So guys, we are in this really interesting city square that we saw from the top of the World Financial Center. But what people don't realize is that while you enter at ground level, in fact, walking just a ways, you are approximately 20 stories. 20? Oh my god! Wow, what a difference. You are up very, very high, because here in Chongqing it is a very varied, hilly sort of nature here. You really don't know when you're going to be taking the stairs. It's wild. So we just happened to get into a grocery store, and the tanks here have live fish. So yeah, you can like just get whatever kind of fish you want. And no, but they have to kill it, right? They actually kill it and then they take it home. Oh my gosh.
They're still moving.
Wow.
Okay, Chongqing snacks. Well, we've got the hot and spicy sun chips. Mm-hmm. The garlic baguettes.
That'd be good.
Follow me. Some cheesies.
Flaming hot.
The flaming hot Doritos. The ready-to-eat original snacks. Now here's where it gets interesting. We get into the seafood. Now come to the other side. This is some really wild stuff. Beef bean curd 5-spice flavor.
Is that like beef jerky?
I guess so. Marinated tofu spicy flavor. Crispy fish skins. Crispy shrimp crisps, they call it. And then, you'll love these. So,
oh, that's gonna be a no for me.
The marinated chicken beef, or the sauce flavored duck gizzard, or the sweet and spicy duck neck. The sweet and spicy duck clavicle. The spicy satay flavored dried beef slices.
Well, that one
Only
I try.
In China. It's wild.
Tiger skin chicken fish. How does this work? Boneless lemon chicken feet. So it's just the squishy outer part? I'm so confused. Oh my god. I mean, what I've eaten in China has overall been good. The issue is I don't always know what, to order and what's good, and especially if a menu doesn't have pictures, Google Translate doesn't really always do it justice. Sushi looks good.
And the Chongqing locals and the city don't generally like the Japanese because of the history, so they don't travel to Japan and etc. But you see, still they
like the sushi. And then over here, it looks like they have fresh noodles that you can just cook at home. Different kinds of steamed buns. And then these little flower things, I don't know what that is.
Look how cute they make them fresh.
Oh, wow.
Make a little nice
That's so cute. Those are adorable little steamed buns. And they're making it all fresh here. Really nice. So what is the name of this place that we're at?
Shibati, I believe.
Shibati?
And
Okay.
it's called 18 steps.
Yeah.
Because it has a lot. I'm sure they have more than 18. Because,
Yeah.
Very loud, very touristy.
Yeah. And it's like a lot of traditional like snacks and shopping and
Costumes, souvenirs, food.
yeah.
Somewhere for people to come and enjoy their weekend.
Yeah, this is great.
This kind of area is very popular in China in general.
Try these little twist things. Some kind of rice cracker. Kind of I like them. Those are good. Kind of jelly sesame thing. Oh, it's so sticky.
This is Chinese date. Actually, this is yummy. Getting Alina to try all the snacks.
Some kind of date pecan, maybe?
Ooh, these are the nuts.
Okay, I guess we'll take it too.
You like it? Well, these are good.
I'm good.
Try these. Come on.
Of course, for the Canadians here, it's exciting that we get to see our Mecca.
I didn't plan this.
Well, it's funny because you guys may remember that I stayed with Alex and Julia in Bangkok, and Alex and I went to Tim Hortons in Bangkok. I was super surprised to see it.
They have a beautiful terrace upstairs. So let's
Oh yeah, sure.
Is this here? You ordered here? Or?
Yeah. The one weird thing about Tim Hortons here is that they don't have any donuts. Like the only sweet thing that they have here is the cinnamon roll. And then they have a whole bunch of like bagel sandwiches that we don't really have in Canada. And even in Bangkok, Bangkok has a more similar menu to what we have in Canada, but here in China it's like completely different other than the coffee. We got the all Canadian-ish experience in China.
Yes. And we have the Chinese hat to symbolize our Tim Hortons approach.
Yes, absolutely. Well, thanks for the great day, guys. Had a wonderful time with you. Oh, already pizza's here. That looks great.
Welcome to Chongqing.
Yes, thank you so much.
This is Alex's way of welcoming you. The Canadian way, you know?
That's great. Yeah, this looks fantastic. So, Alex, this is your go-to place?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the safe zone.
It is very good.
Chongqing, but you need some home comfort.
Oh, shishi. I can't believe that I'm actually saying this, guys, but this may be one of my favorite adrenaline experiences I've ever had. Even though initially it was kind of freaking me out, it is just such a beautiful view out here, especially at sunset time. The buildings, you know, super unique. The skyline here is amazing. I think this might actually be my favorite thing that I've done in Chongqing. Highly, highly, highly recommend if you're not afraid of heights. So a very big thank you to Chongqing for bringing me out here, the amazing tourism board of Chongqing, and also of course Alex and Julia for being such great friends and helping me out while I have been here. I'm going to link both of their channels in the description. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you're having a fantastic day and you come to Chongqing sometime. Keep being your own kind of beautiful. Bye guys.